Welcome back to another episode of Let's Be Sustainable. Wasn't planning on making the video, but since I ordered a lot of roses online, I kind of miscalculated on when they would be delivered, and I got one today, and I am nowhere near ready to put roses into the ground yet because my ground's still frozen, and I'm transitioning into a elevated grow bed for them because my property tends to flood, so like roses don't like wet feet, so I'm kind of moving everything upwards. So I'm gonna do an unboxing video of the rose I got today. Wasn't expecting it today, but it's here, and I'm just gonna share that with you. So it's from Burpee. I tried to give them a shout out. It's well packed. Nice thick canes. That's okay, a little damage there. That's no big deal. But this is the cultivar that I ordered. It's a David Austin Desdemona. So far, it looks like it's been packaged very well. But what I'm planning to do is put it into this grow bag for the moment because it's still dormant. My ground isn't ready for, I got a lot of cleanup to do. There's a lot of cleanup to do. I'm transitioning into these stock tanks for the near future. So there's that. So there's going to be a big transformation here at my little grow lab, and I'll keep you posted on that. But for now, this little sweetie is going in here until I can get it transitioned into the stock tank. So let me get her into this pot and I'll get her right back to you. But so far, look, I like the size. It was Burpee, and I guess I got a Burpee code if you guys need it. Here it is. I think it's pretty good. Let's see how she fares out. All right, I'll keep you posted on this one, and thanks for watching. And if you guys have grown this cultivar, let me know. I'm really fascinated to see how well she does for me, because she looks great as far as the advertisement. So I want to know, have you grown Desdemona? Let me know. I'll catch you on the next one. Well, you know what? I'll be back. Let me just pot her up and I'll show you what she looks like in the pot. I'll be right back. Here she is, all potted up. She'll be here not too long. As soon as the weather warms up, and I'll be working and getting everything situated with these stock tanks. I gotta fill them up, and there she's gonna go into her little forever stock tank. So I'm excited. She's here. She's still dormant. I just wanted to put her in some kind of holding pot until the weather, because I can't keep it inside. She'll sprout, and I don't want to take her out of her timetable. So when she's supposed to bloom and sprout, she will sprout. I wanted to stay dormant so that I can have flowers to cross-pollinate with the other roses that are coming in, and for the ones that I have to pot up. So that's it for now. Like, again, if you've grown Desdemona, tell me the pros and cons about this particular cultivar, and I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next.